During part 3, I will show you how to assemble a lamp that was made in part 2 of the video series. This is a lamp, so it does come with parts, and these are the parts it comes with when you get this mold, if you buy the mold with the accessories. And you do have to solder the wires onto the light. So you will need a soldering gun. I've never used one before, so here's to hoping I figure this out. But I just purchased whatever was the top rated inexpensive one on Amazon was what I purchased, because I have no clue if I'll ever need one again. I'm gonna plug it in. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and turn on the soldering. Alright, so the first thing you want to do is take off the protective coating on the piece. And then you'll thread your wires through the hole, and they should go black, red, white. So the black goes where the Y is, and the white goes where the W is. Alright, I'm most definitely going to check this before I do anything, since I have no clue what I'm doing. Aha, I did it. Okay. Now you need some double-sided tape. It does not come with that, so you do need to make sure you have your own. And you want a piece that is the same length as the strip. So, let's say right about there-ish. And then you are going to stick that on this piece of plastic here. Right in the middle. And then peel off that extra paper to reveal the sticky part. You just stick the strip to that double-sided tape. Not like that, because it's not even. Come on now. Like that. Push it down, make sure it's on there good. also need a glue gun. Okay, then you're going to take your frosted panel and you're going to slide that right in the hole there. Then you're going to use your heat gun around the edges to hold that in place. Yep, looks good. Then you are going to run your heat gun along these edges here. And then you'll place your panel right on top. Give your glue a minute to dry. So to recap, you will need a soldering gun, a heat gun, and double-sided tape, as well as the accessory kit that comes with the mold. But now that the glue is dry, you can actually stand your lamp up straight, and I will plug it in. And it does come on a USB, so you will need the USB plug if you want to put it in the wall. And then you just turn it on. And there's your lamp. And I'll pull you down so I can show you from the right angle. This one's pretty bright. And that is all. We are now finished. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and press the bell to be alerted to future videos.